Here guys, another point as you see. So I'm gonna teach you how to make, I mean, how to download free apps that are paid from your Android device. Even any. I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah. My Android version is sorry guys. You know my Android is 2.2.1, so that will also work. Now, first you go to the Play Store or Google Play. And search for shared. It's a blue big thing. You need to install it, guys. Now when it's done, download it. Now it's saying installing. Let me just wait for it, guys. Successfully installed. Now, when you're done with that, search for Mobile Genie in the Play Store and Mobile Genie Market Free. That's how you download it. I'm not gonna. Oh yeah, sorry guys. No, I'm just not gonna show you anymore. But it's also awesome. So gonna take Minecraft for 2.3 only. Not for 2.3. After that, so in 4 shared, you need to log into your account. Log in. Here. I'm gonna log in now, guys. Sorry, guys. Please wait. Please wait. Let's say please wait. Please wait. Now here. Now this is how to download the full version. Remember the old. I mean the. Now, right? Uh, Robo Genie Lite is 11 MB. Now this one is 9. So there, search for Mobile Genie. Here, Mobile Genie, and go for it. Screen recorder. There, go for Robo Genie APK. Now press this Android dude and click download and wait for a while. So you allow this. That circle. After that, ano ba? Here, after that, tap on Mobile Genie. Good. So it will say new version. And if you update it, then really search Minecraft. So don't update now. After that, so you can search for Minecraft and anything you want. Search for Minecraft. Pocket Edition. The first thing that loads up is my God, Android 3.0. Nah, there. There's also USB 2.3. Here, basically, here's some specs. So, you don't have space anymore. I'm gonna uninstall for shared for now. Uninstall. Okay. So I'm gonna need to hurry. After that, check in your. Yep, that's okay. Now go to Mobile Genie again. There. Minecraft. 30.3.3. I know I'm gonna go for this 3.0. Start download. Just gonna download for a while. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you
Bye.
like my video.
Say bye.
Subscribe and peace.